Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is "Don't Try to Light a Cop on Fire." Boy, that's one way to an early grave site. I tell you that. You try one of those, boy. Okay, let's get into it, man.
How's it going, man? Hey, why don't you come over and talk to me for a second? Okay, you're trespassed from that location. Don't ever return. If you return, you'll be arrested for trespassing. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, and I'm glad to see you.
You're glad to see me?
Yes, sir.
I'm glad to see you too, man. Have a good day.
A few hours later, the suspect was reported to be seen back at the property he was trespassed from.
Hi.
Hi, are you the one that called?
Yeah.
Okay, I drove around, I didn't see him anywhere.
Yeah.
What did he do? Sure, yeah.
He pooped right there, so I was just...
He did what?
He pooped.
Well, I drove around looking for him, I didn't see him.
He was just walking like north.
Yeah,
Maybe he go this way, I don't know. But
I checked, so I checked from the north, and then I also went back here where all the homeless people are, and I didn't see him, so.
Maybe, I don't
If
know.
he comes back, just call us, and we'll try to get here a little bit
It's just
quicker.
like, I cannot deal with this, because I
know.
have people and several food there.
I know, it's disgusting.
All right.
I'm sorry this happened.
Yeah.
Call us back if he comes back, okay?
Yet again, the suspect returns to the property, but this time he's still there.
How long do you want him trespass for?
Maybe like...
Forever, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, I'll get him out of here. Hey, Bitsu.
Somebody over here hit me.
Okay.
Hey.
Listen, you're trespassed for life from this restaurant.
Hey,
Don't
no,
come back.
I own the mother...
Dude, get out of my face!
Hey.
1K37, start me it back. Somebody just lit a lighter in my face. Now he's walking away. Stop!
I didn't do nothing, mother...
Wait. Hold on now. That was quick. Hold on. That was quick. I gotta see what happened now. I ain't see it.
How
Hold
long
on.
do you want him trespass for?
Maybe like...
Forever, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, I'll get him out of here. Hey, Bitsu.
Somebody over here hit me.
Okay.
Hey.
Listen, you're trespassed for life from this restaurant. Don't
Hey,
come
no,
back.
I own the mother...
Dude, get out of my face! 1K37,
Oh
start me it
wow.
back.
Yeah. He wildin'.
Somebody just lit a lighter in my face. Now he's walking away. Stop!
I didn't do nothing, mother...
37, foot pursuit. It's gonna be Vincent. IPC for assault. Northbound, running across 260th. Black male, wearing a black shirt, gray hat. Start me in the mornings if nobody's close.
He black? Man, he light skinned, boy.
Now he's running.
Oh, the
Westbound,
cop slowing down.
across
Hold on now. Ain't no way that guy's beeping at the cop,
That's
man.
a car
You don't
wash.
see what's going on?
At the Food Mart on the east side of Pack. How close is any of my backs? All right, 37, I lost him somewhere around the car wash here. All right, 37, he's walking up the hill towards Khalifa Marijuana. It's an attempted assault. He flicked a lighter in my face.
Damn, my boy's tired.
Yeah, it's a black male, black jacket. He's in the parking lot of Khalifa. He's now walking on the west side of Khalifa. No, he's on the back side of Khalifa. Hey! One at Taser Point. Oh. Backside of Khalifa. All the way on the ground. You move, you're getting tased.
Hey, that guy you're looking for, Vincent, went that way. I didn't do nothing.
Okay, you're under arrest for assault, for flipping the lighter in my face.
I didn't hit you, sir. I didn't hit you, though. I didn't hit you. That's a lie, man. Let me go, please. Could you please let me go? I really didn't hit you.
Dude, don't stand up. I'm gonna take you.
I didn't hit you. I didn't hit you. I didn't touch you. I didn't touch you.
You get up, I'm tasing
I
you.
didn't touch you. I didn't touch him. I didn't touch him. I I really didn't touch you. I said, okay, I said, thank you.
Get on the ground.
Okay.
I'm gonna tase you. Get on the ground.
I didn't touch him. I didn't touch him, sir.
Don't move.
Okay.
Don't.
On the ground.
Get on the ground.
You're gonna get tased, man.
Yeah, I want to walk outside.
On your knees. Get on
I
your
didn't
knees.
do nothing.
Get on your knees.
Get on.
I really didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Man, hit him
tase
with
you.
that.
Get on the
Hit him
ground.
with that.
It's my last warning. I'm gonna tase you.
Hit him with that thing, man.
Taser. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Yeah, hit him with that act right, man.
I'm trying.
We're fighting
Get him
with
in
the
line.
Hey.
Yes.
Okay.
You got taser?
Yeah, I got taser.
Yeah, but I joined the army, dog. I didn't do nothing, but I didn't do nothing
Alright.
to these guys.
Good.
And I keep asking to take me home.
Just relax,
I keep
man.
asking to take me. I didn't even do nothing though.
Just relax.
Harrison,
Yeah, you're trying to.
We'll still take
Damn, were you trying to hit me? Were you trying to hit me off?
No, just relax.
So where am I supposed to go? Do you see my register? Sir, can I complain? Please come over here. I want to go to the community center.
All right.
They keep not letting me go. Can you put my hat on, please?
Sit up.
I didn't do nothing, man.
You're under arrest.
But I didn't do nothing. How many times do I have to get picked up by you pigs before I go the home, man? Before I get to go the home. Can I go to the hospital, please?
No, you're going to jail for assault.
For what, motherfucker? You're a liar.
For flipping
Get the
the
fuck
line
in
in
my
my
face. You're a
face.
snitch. Hey, I want you to yourself. I need to go to the hospital.
For what?
I have to run from nothing. I didn't do nothing to you. Sir, could you please take me to the hospital?
No.
Why do I keep having to run? Why don't you take me?
It's your cuffs, right?
Hey, he's going to prison.
Can we wait for a K unit and then I'll...
Hey, he's don't touch me. Hey, sir, please.
Okay,
Hey, please.
we're going over here, man.
No, don't touch me.
Walk
Hey,
this-
ow, what the f***, man? Break his fucking neck. You, man. I'm not
You want to help me with them, please?
I'll do that guy. Right there.
Maybe you can jump in
Yeah,
and
I
help.
don't know, dog. Don't touch me. Get the f*** off me. Fucking scumbag. Mike, fucking people fucking ass.
Yeah, I'm trespassing him.
Fuck you. You're not fucking...
And he says something and flips a lighter right in my face. I feel the heat and everything. Then takes off running.
Thank you. I think you're not taking me to home. I don't want people going home. I don't
They
want to
actually
go
just
home.
switch out the cuffs on you and
Why would I go to
somebody
jail?
transport him and that's
Why would I go to jail though? I'm sitting here talking to you guys. You can hear everything I say, and I'm saying something about going home. Or don't touch me, motherfucker. Don't let this scumbag touch me. Do you want me to touch your son? What the is wrong with you? Get the off of me.
Stop yelling.
Get off of me, man. Get off me.
Stop yelling. I'll talk to you.
I want to get the off of me.
Okay.
Thank you. Get him the off me.
we need to switch out cuffs on him.
Why do I need to go to jail? For what? For what? I didn't attempt to assault anyone, and I own the store. How many times do I have to tell you guys I own the store,
attempt
though?
assault. Okay.
And why the f do I have to
Okay.
keep getting handcuffed,
It's Des
man?
Moines.
That's bullshit.
Bye. You okay? Yeah, I'm good.
Boy, mental health is serious, boy. These dudes be straight Looney Tunes. You hear me?
So I trespassed him from this Mexican restaurant because he took a dump earlier. Okay. And they were sitting on their patio. I'm familiar with him. I go up, I say, Vincent, you're trespassing for life, you can't be here. He says something like, something, has a lighter in his hand, flicks it right in my face. I can feel the heat and everything. Then I'm like, whoa. I'm like, dude, don't flip the lighter in my face. I'm like, dude, stop. Didn't burn me, but I felt the heat.
Well, because you pulled back, I bet.
Yeah, I pulled back. And then foot pursued all the way around there, back behind here, resist over here. I did deploy my taser because when Des Moines got here, he got up. He was like looking for another place to run.
Okay.
So I deployed my taser, just hit his jacket out to get any effect.
Okay.
He's not claiming injury, he's just saying he wants to go to the hospital and stay in jail.
Grab my beard and dog, I'm tired of them putting their hands on me, man. I want to go home. I don't like you. You're not attractive. You're disgusting.
Is he complaining of any injuries?
He's not claiming any, so he's ready to go.
Okay, I don't think we need fire. Let's just take it, right? I mean, I can always do it. So Des Moines started fire, but I don't think we need fire. He's
What's
not,
that?
Do we need fire to check him out? He's
Let's
not,
just look at him for injuries
Okay.
at this point. Who taped it?
I did.
Oh. Yeah, then we'll just him check.
I'll replace you. I'm just gonna do it for that. I got you.
I want to go to the hospital.
Hey, face the vehicle.
I want to sell nothing. Don't bang nothing.
Walk with me, man.
Don't talk to me, dog.
Hey, bro, don't do that. Relax, man. Relax. Relax. Drop the tin up, man. Hey, face the vehicle, man. Relax.
Do your own work. Right, tag him. So they can get some
Wait a second, man.
I'm a veteran. You should hear what I say. Yes, I would like to go to the hospital. I am a private.
He just keeps claiming he needs to go to the hospital, but he's not saying why, other than he doesn't want to go to jail.
Yeah.
He has some mental health issues, but
Okay.
he's pretty combative. He's in one of the cars. You guys can just check him if you
Okay,
want.
you didn't witness a fall or...
I mean, we wrestled with him a bit on the ground, but nothing crazy. So.
Okay.
He was tased, but there was no. It just hit his jacket.
I know, I get it. You're not a jail. No, I want to go to the hospital.
Yes, I'm an EMT.
Why do I have to ask every time?
I'm with the fire department.
I don't want to pretend to be a drug dealer, man. I want to go to the hospital. I don't want to force fed garbage. I can buy my own food.
Vincent,
I can buy my own food.
Sir.
I don't give a about
I'm with the fire department. Can I take you out to see if you need to go to the hospital?
I want to go to the hospital. I don't need you to pretend to check me out and try and send someone to help. They obviously can't do a simple job. I want to go home.
Pretend to check
I want to
me
get
out.
taken home. Do you know your
Why
leg?
do you need
Are
to
you
go to the
homeless? Are you? It's
hospital?
not funny to me though. When you get the floor went up, nigga says, son.
Why do you want to go to the
So
hospital?
if I said it once, would you do it?
Can you talk to me and tell me what's
I
wrong?
said I need to get an ambulance. I want to go to the hospital. Right, so I'm excited, and I like my assault rifle to fire. I like my weapon to fire, and I don't like it to my leg. What's up? Feet up.
Hey, Vincent, are you hurting?
It's embarrassing,
Are you in
man.
any pain right now? Any pain?
Yes.
Where are you hurting?
It's actually extremely personal. It's very private. I shouldn't have to say it, though. I should get to go to the hospital.
Well, that's what we're trying to determine.
I want to go to the hospital.
We're trying to determine if we can send you there or not.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. I said it more than once.
Did the taser get you?
No.
No? Okay, did you fall at all?
Hit him!
I think it's good.
Hey. So when I tried to, I had my camera going. I don't know if you saw what happened.
Yeah, I saw.
When I was trespassing, he flipped the lighter in my face.
Oh,
Tried to, so I got in foot pursuit with him all the way over here. We arrested him over there. So he's going to jail for assault and obstructing. And I issued him the trespass warning.
Yeah, I was like, oh, I saw that what happened. I thought he's gonna hit you or something.
Yeah, you saw him get in my face?
Yeah, I think
What
I
did you
thought
see?
it was like fist. I thought he was grabbing a fist because I.
Oh,
couldn't
you
see-
saw him put something in my face?
Yeah, I thought he's gonna hit you with a fist.
Yeah,
or
so
something.
he had a lighter and he went like that in my face.
Wow, that guy is crazy. You okay, though?
I'm okay, yeah. He won't be back for a while at least because he's gonna be in jail for a while, so. All right, sir.
Yeah, all right, thank
Have a
you.
good night.
Thank you.
Vincent was charged with attempted assault and obstructing. He is innocent until proven guilty.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.